As parents, you have taken important steps to understand how screen time affects your child's development. In this final lesson, we'll review the key points from the course and discuss how to create a long-term balanced digital environment that promotes learning, creativity, and connection. Throughout this course, we have explored the impact of screen time on development, how to recognize screen-related delays, and the importance of balancing digital and real-world interactions. Now, it's time to bring all of that knowledge together to create a healthy digital environment for your child. Setting clear digital boundaries is essential for managing screen time in the long term. Create a weekly schedule that balances screen time with offline activities, ensuring that your child has plenty of opportunities for physical play, social interaction, and creative learning. Use digital tools that fosters creativity, learning, and meaningful connections. Choose apps, games, and videos that encourage problem solving, language development, and curiosity. By being mindful of the content your child engages with, you can transform screen time into a valuable learning experience. While screens can be useful, it's important to avoid over-reliance on digital devices. Encourage screen-free playtime, social activities, and outdoor exploration. Make sure that screen enhances your child's life without becoming the main focus. Building a healthy digital environment is not just about managing today's screen time, but creating lifelong habits. Encourage your child to have regular screen-free moments, especially during family time or meal times. Set the example by modeling healthy digital habits yourself. To maintain a balanced digital environment, set clear screen time limits, choose quality content, and always encourage offline activities. By leading by example and making these habits part of your everyday routine, you create a digital environment that promotes growth, learning, and connection. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand and manage a screen. To continue supporting your child's development, explore our platform's resources for building healthy digital habits. Learn, grow, and connect together. We build a healthy digital future for our children.